Alright guys, so I'm in a place called Howrah, okay? That's the Howrah Bridge, right? That's the Howrah Bridge. And I'm gonna show you something very unique that you get in Kolkata. It's called the Vada. I'll show you in a minute. Let's go. This is the sugarcane, right? That's the sugarcane stall there. So crowded, Howrah station is just so crowded. So this is the stall. So sorry. This is the vada, right? ये क्या है भैया? ये क्या? Idli vada. Idli vada. All right. So that's the idli vada. All right. This is the idli. This is the vada, right? And what all you put into this? आप क्या क्या डालते हैं? Sambar. This is sambar. This is a chutney of what? Coconut chutney. Peanut, coconut. All right. Curry leaf and things like that, right? So guys, he sells this, in a small cart like this, and people love eating this for breakfast in Kolkata, right? So it's a small cart of 4 wheels, right? And he sells this, on top of the main road here. You see the buses, and I'm in a place called Howrah Bridge. Sorry, Howrah Station. That's the Howrah Bridge, right? So here I am. And guys, if you tried this, you please let me know in the comment. It's called the idli vada. All right. Basically, it's a vada. All right. They dip that into a spicy curry called sambar, right? So as I just showed you. All right. So you see, it's crazy, right? You see the vehicles are going like a rocket from there, and this guy is selling right on top of the main road. You see the buses everywhere. So yeah, and he has the fire burning down, so to keep that sambar, hot and warm for people to come and enjoy. Yeah. So after having this, you can have some sugarcane juice. These are the things are very available in Kolkata street food, right? This is how it is, guys. So भैया आप वड़ा कैसा बनाते हैं? How do you make this vada? क्या आटा मैदा ऐसा कुछ देके ना? अच्छा. He doesn't make all this. Some other guy, he makes all this and he just sells all this over here, right? You are the salesman. You're not the guy who makes it, right? It's okay. So guys, look. If you tried this, you let me know in the comment. And this is the idli, made out of rice pudding. It's very good. It's light, right? It's a South Indian dish. It's a South Indian dish, right? And you have this jug of water. After you are done, if you want to have water, you can have water, right? So this is how it is. And he serves you in that white glass plate, which is very fancy and nice, and they have spoons there, right? This is how it is, guys. Yeah, so if you tried this, you let me know in the comment, right? So basically, that's the idli, right? And you will, pour this sambar into that idli for people to enjoy. And he sprinkles some, coconut chutney, right? Made out of coconut, peanut chilies, and mustard and curry leaves and things like that. So yeah, thank you, brother. You have a great day. So if you want to have this, right, if you take 2 of this idli and 1 of those, that thing, vada, is only 30 rupees, which is something cents. You can see that on the screen, right? Yeah. So thank you, brother. You have a good day. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching my vlog. You know, to see more vlogs like this, please subscribe to my channel. This is your friend John. Let's make memories. Love, peace. Thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you. And let me know in the comment if you tried this. And please subscribe guys. Bye bye.